Well, hello there, friends. I got to tell you something. There's not a day that I do not receive an email or a comment asking for a recipe that is already on the channel. Today alone, somebody wanted the recipe for chicken cacciatore, and somebody else was wanted for a chocolate souffle. And yesterday I got some person who wanted to know about prime rib. Oh, why don't you do a video on prime rib? We already got 2 videos on prime rib. So, here's what's happening. A lot of people do not know how to use the channel correctly. So instead of sending them the recipe, we're going to send them to this video that I'm going to do right now so I can show them how to use the channel. It's really, you'd be surprised. I, myself, as I was learning how to do it correctly for you guys, I learned a few things, so I'm going to share them with you. So here's how we're going to do it, friends. I'm going to go to my computer, and Jacques is going to capture my screen, and I'm going to narrate how to navigate and how to find any recipe that we have on the channel. We have like 500 recipes on the channel, and so we're going to show you how to do it. All right. So let me share my screen with you, and I'll see you at the end of the video. Okay, friends. Well, the first thing we need to do is we need to get to YouTube. When you are on YouTube, you'll see right there that search bar and that hourglass right there. That's your tool right there, friends. First thing you want to do is you want to type Chef Jean-Pierre. You get the Chef Jean-Pierre. Voila. You'll see my picture right here, friends. And you'll see Chef Jean-Pierre. Right next to you see that little check mark right there next to my name. That means it's verified by YouTube. This is the actual website. With all the scammers we've had on YouTube, it's important to make sure you get to the right channel, friends. Click on Chef Jean-Pierre, and now you arrive at the channel. When you're there, you can still see that check mark right there, verified, 2.18 million subscribers, and if you click on more, this will give you a little more information about Chef Jean-Pierre. You'll have a little short bio. You'll have only a few links in here. The first one is if you want to get to our website at chefjeanpierre.com. The following one is if you want to get to our shop, Chef JP Shop, chefjp.com. Click on it, you get to our store. You can also get to our Facebook page. Facebook, we have a wonderful page, and its videos are fantastic. If you haven't joined our Facebook page, be sure to do it. It's fantastic. All right, now we're going to close this, and let's go back to the channel. Now, this is where you subscribe. Of course, I'm subscribed. If you have not subscribed, friends, that's the place you want to subscribe. Now, join the channel. You can help us continuing producing those high-quality videos that are extremely expensive to produce, as I'm sure all of you know. You can help us sponsor the channel with $1.99 a month, or $4.99 a month, or $9.95 a month, depends how much you can afford. That money helps us offset the very expensive cost of continuing producing those videos. This allows us to continue produce great quality content without having to accept money from sponsor, which means we would have to interrupt the video that I'm doing to say, this show is brought to you by so-and-so, and interrupt the videos. I don't like doing that. I rather rely on your generosity and your support. So when you become a member of the channel, you get a badge, and your comments always have priority, so we'll answer them first. So very important for all of you that have joined the channel. We greatly appreciate it. All right, friends. So now, let's go to the menus that is available for you on YouTube. Home, we are at the home page. Video is where you'll find all of our videos. So you'll click on it, and if you see right there, friends, you'll have 3 choices. You can see them by date of uploading. The latest one is going to be right there in the bottom. That's the latest one. And when you put your cursor on it, you see the movie start running. The video starts running. So this is the latest one. You can see that, or you can see the most popular one by clicking on most popular, or you can click on the oldest one by clicking on oldest. All right, so let's go back to latest. When you are in the latest video, you'll see the video that was uploaded this week, right there. And then next to it on the right, you'll see the video that was uploaded the week before. And if you click on, and if you go to the right side of it, that's the week before, and so on and so on. But all of the 446 video are right there on this page. So if you know what you're looking for already, then you'll use, again, that hourglass right there, that the search bar, that's your tool. You'll click on it, and you'll type right there. So let's say you're looking for chicken Milanese. You'll type Milanese, and enter. Now, you'll see right there, the first video is chicken Milanese. So really, really easy to find out. So if you know what you're looking for, just use that glass bowl right there, that search bar right there, and YouTube will display the video you're looking for. That's if you know what you're looking for. Okay, let's say you don't know what you're looking for. Then you want to go to the playlist. When you get a playlist is where they are organized by categories. So they're organized by categories, meaning, like, for instance, stock and basis. Vegetable, only vegetables you'll find. Potatoes, 27 different potatoes recipes. Left Bank restaurant menus, those are the menus from my old restaurant in Fort Lauderdale, and there's 49 menu items than we used to have on the menu. You may want to look into it. The easy recipe to duplicate at home, like all of our channel. Recipes are easy to duplicate at home. That's the purpose of this channel. Salads, all about butter, and you scroll down and you'll see steakhouse side, dessert. Look at that, 38 videos on dessert. Duck recipes, breakfast recipe, lamb recipe, pork recipe, fantastic, 18 different pork recipe, and one pot recipe, 29 recipe in one pot, vegetarian recipe, see, vegetarian recipe, and then beef recipes, 55 recipe, chicken recipe, 68. So at this point, you are now at the playlist, which means if you click on, see right here, full playlist. You don't want to click on chicken recipes because you'll only get that one right there, that cordon bleu. You want to click on view full playlist. You see right there? So you click on it and you arrive right there on the playlist. So at that point, every chicken recipe is displayed there. They're all fantastic. That jambalaya recipe is amazing. The Tuscan recipe, the chicken cacciatore, the chicken wings, the stuffed chicken breast is fantastic. Chicken fricassee, gumbo, chicken piccata, they're all fantastic recipes. Sometimes I want to cook. I don't know which one to pick. They're wonderful, my friends. Go try them all. You'll have a good time, I promise you. All right, so now let's go back. We want to use that back button right there on YouTube. We'll go back. And now we are back at the playlist. All right, very simple. So now, for instance, let's say you're not really sure. You can't find it over there. You haven't really looked. Remember, you want to look at the title of the playlist. See, they're in capital letters. Potatoes, Left Bank restaurant, salad. Don't look at anything else below because it confuses you. Just look at right there. But if you're not sure exactly, you'll just type, for instance, let's say you want to do the dessert playlist. So you type dessert playlist. You want to see all the dessert. Or see right here. So you'll see the dessert. Again, remember, don't click on the dessert. Click on view full playlist. That's the secret right there, friends. And now you have all of the dessert right here. You see? Fantastic dessert. Or if you tried that tiramisu. You know, one of my favorite one also. I say my favorite. Well, they're all my favorite. If they're not favorite, I don't do them. It was that lemon tiramisu. I can't even find where it is. But it's in there. It's in there, that lemon tiramisu. That was phenomenal recipe. It's in there somewhere. All right. Friends. Next thing we want to do is we want to go back to the channel. All right. So, very simple. Remember, dessert playlist shows you everything. If you know what you're looking for, you type the name of exactly what you're looking for. One more thing really important, friends, shorts. Those shorts are fantastic. They're only 1 minute. Very simple. Learn how to cut the broccoli correctly. Everybody thinks they know how to do it until they watch me do it and they go, wow, they know. Use the microplane breader correctly, friends. Most people don't know how to do it. Keep your fresh herb for weeks. All of those little tips are fantastic. All right? So we got the home button, we got the video, we got the shorts, we got the playlist. Community is when we produce a message that we want to give you. It's on a community tab and you'll get an email when we do it. And voila, this is as simple as it was. Also, remember, when you get to YouTube, you can also, after Chef Jean-Pierre, you can also say beef playlist and enter. And you'll get to it, and again, you'll see the perfect steak right there. View full playlist. So you don't even have to enter the channel. You can just go from the YouTube search bar right at the beginning of YouTube, and you type, remember, always click view full playlist. And voila, this is how you use it. Pretty simple, right, friends? You see, friends, that was not complicated. Maybe a few of you that are very comfortable with YouTube may have learned a few things. The thing that I've learned the most is you got to make sure you click on full playlist when you want to see the playlist. All right, friends? I hope this video is helpful. Remember, thumbs up if you like the video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to ring the bell. Thanks for watching, friends.